Hey everyone, we wanted to share a quick little tutorial about a new farming opportunity that everyone's been asking about recently, and that is farming yield with ample worth. So the first thing you'll need to do is provide some liquidity to ample worth pool on Uniswap v2. Easy way to do that is simply searching for ample tokens in here, uh, making sure you are selecting Uniswap v2. Add how much liquidity you'd like to provide. And now you'll see one of the new things we added is you could actually see a price impact of your transaction. So as you can see here, all your inputs are split half-half between the underlying tokens that are required for this pool. And every time you do that, of course, you have to swap your half your input, usually that's ETH, into the underlying ERC20 tokens, which in this case is AMPL. And every time you do that, you are putting in a exchange order on Uniswap pool itself, which you are adding liquidity to. So this is why you might see price impact get larger in pools which don't have as much liquidity in them. As you can see here, as I start adding a larger amounts, the price impact increases. So I'm just going to go ahead and make this one fast. Of course, confirm transaction in MetaMask. And while that transaction is completing, I actually have some that I've already added liquidity into, and some that are unstaked and staked. And actually, as you can see here, this transaction has been already completed. That was pretty quick. So as you can see here, my 10 ETH input was split almost in half, basically the required proportions, and then it was added to the pool. In return, I received this many pool tokens from Uniswap v2. So now if we go back to Zapper, we can see here that this is the liquidity that I've just added, which is still unstaked because I just received pool tokens for those. And here we can see some of my staked tokens, which are already earning some of these additional rewards from AMPL. So to stake the tokens which I just got from Uniswap v2 as a pool is simply just click stake and confirm. That's literally all you have to do. It's very quick. You don't have to go on another sort of interface to do this, keeping the experience in one place. And once you do this, you will be able to see how many AMPL tokens you've actually earned in addition. So in my case, I've already earned 37 of them. So at any time, I could now unstake and claim those rewards. On your dashboard, you'll be able to see also a breakdown of how many claimable AMPLs you've earned so far.